them clout. Like those niggas that beat up Brother Nature the other day.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Bro, I played ball with that nigga.
Did you?
OD.
With Brother Nature?
Yeah. Cause he, you know, he was.
He lives.
I
He
don't
lives
here.
here.
But
Yeah,
like,
no, we don't have to say where or nothing, but he lived out here.
Yeah.
We were considered neighbors.
OD.
There you go.
OD. And but yeah, he was out in the college and shit. I was just playing ball and shit, chilling. And then the nigga pulled up, bro. I was like, oh.
Is he nice? How's Fader look?
Bro, I creamed that nigga. His ass. Bro. Like,
Okay, you know what?
I ain't trying to like violate, but like, bro.
That's
Hit
okay.
me up for a rematch, bro.
Yeah. come back, Brother Nature.
Yeah, no shit.
Yo.
You're welcome here and shit.
We got you.
Was he a nice person though?
He OD.
Okay.
Sorry, so
See,
I
that's
called
all.
my girl. I was like, oh, that nigga Brother Nature here. Da, da, da.
Shiloh.
And then she pulled up.
Tell a story.
She had pulled up, right? And then she recorded us playing and then deleted the video.
What?
And I was, this whole time, I was acting like I didn't know who he was and shit.
Yeah. That's funny.
And then,
That's cool.
and then he gave me, cause I won, he gave me like a Uber card. Like he had like a, what do you call it?
An Uber card?
Yeah, it's like a discount code.
Okay.
Who the
Yeah.
fuck?
Nigga had a
Brother
discount
Nature.
code.
He carries them around.
He got a Brother Nature
He's like,
discount code.
give me two. I was like, oh.
That's dope. He just
Shit.
got his, well, I mean, when you were a social media celebrity, and that's another thing.
Did you
got
need
famous.
hold up? Did you need an Uber?
I don't even use Uber.
So why the fuck? That's
Bro, he was
crazy.
just like, everybody eats. I'm like,